For this exercise, we'll be adding another stage to the aggregation pipeline that we began in the previous exercise. On the Pipeline tab of the Aggregation Editor, ensure that the Stage 1 row is selected. Click the small down arrow to the right of the Add button and click Add New Stage after selected stage. In the New Stage 2 tab, select the Group option from the Filter drop-down list. The Aggregation Editor adds a set of curly braces to enclose the expression, along with the _ID field and several placeholders. In the Editor window, delete the _ID field and all the placeholders and type the following expression. This expression includes two arguments, separated by a comma. The first argument defines the _ID field, which determines that the documents should be grouped based on the values in the address.city field. As we mentioned earlier in this section, field names are typically preceded by a $sign and enclosed in quotes when they are referenced in an aggregation expression. The second argument defines how the grouped documents should be aggregated. First, we specify the name of the outputted column as total. Then, we specify how to calculate these values. This is done with the accumulator operator sum followed by the field on which to base this operation, in this case, transactions. All of this is enclosed in curly braces. Together, these elements specify that the query should return the total number of transactions per city. In the Stage Input pane in the bottom, click the Execute button. This will execute the pipeline up to, but not including, the second stage. Let's check the stage output as well. In the Stage Output pane, click the Execute button. This will execute the pipeline, including the second stage. And we can see that the input to this stage is 94 documents, while the output totals only 37, and includes the total transactions for each city. Go to the Query Code tab and verify that the code includes the group operator and its expression. Let's also verify this on the Pipeline tab, where there should now be a new row that contains the operator and its expression. Leave the Aggregation Editor open with the pipeline as it is in place for the next exercise.